Welcome to Ahmedabad Institute of Medical Sciences. AIIMS is located near Lions Karnavati Eye Hospital, Lapkaman, Gota Vatsar, Ahmedabad. It is recognized by Government of Gujarat, Gujarat State Council for Physiotherapy and Indian Association of Physiotherapy. AIIMS is the first college of multidisciplinary sciences in Gujarat, run by Garvi Gujarat Medical and Education Foundation and affiliated to Gujarat University. Our college provides an education that will assist the students in becoming humane, sensitive, and technically competent healthcare professional. While a first-rate educational experience is essential, making a good healthcare professional is rooted in the nature and quality of the people involved. There is a visible sense of family and community at AIIMS. Students can expect the same respect from this college that a patient should anticipate from a capable healthcare professional. We are proud of the fact that we strive to develop in our students a blend of both the technical and the human skills required in our profession. The substance of the curricula as well as the instructional processes used to communicate that information reflects a humanistic approach to healthcare. Therefore, it is our imperative that our students understand that they have an active role in learning environment rather than being passive recipients of their education. The college has very talented, productive, and dedicated faculties who are committed in providing a state-of-the-art and high-quality educational experience. They are positioned to serve as resource and network facilitators to help students to develop future professional networks. AIIMS offer two courses, Bachelor of Physiotherapy since the year 2006 and Masters of Physiotherapy since the year 2011. The Masters of Physiotherapy further offers different branches which includes musculoskeletal, cardiopulmonary, neurology, rehabilitation, sports and women's health. The course duration for BPT is 4 years and 6 months of compulsory rotatory internship, and for MPT is 2 years. Our vision is that the institute will be a world leader in the integration of teaching and learning, advancement of the knowledge base through research, and leadership in health service. The institute strives to achieve global identity through its innovation methods and dedicated efforts for the betterment of the community. The institute will be a world leader in preparing professionals who provide leadership and exemplary educational and health-related services to improve health-related quality of life of individuals in a changing and complex global society. The mission of the institute is to prepare skilled, dedicated, and outstanding physiotherapists and to advance the profession of physiotherapy through research and application of clinical processes and government's ethical education policy. Our faculties. Physiotherapy is a branch of modern medical science which includes examination, assessment, interpretation, physical diagnosis, planning and execution of treatment and advice to any person for the purpose of preventing, correcting, elevating and limiting dysfunction, acute and bodily malfunction. It also includes curing physical disorders or disability, promoting physical fitness, facilitating healing, pain relief and treatment of physical and psychological disorders through modulating psychological and physical response. It uses physical agents and activities that includes exercise, mobilization, manipulation, electrical and thermal agents, and electrotherapy for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. Physiotherapy plays a vital role in musculoskeletal, neurological, primary healthcare, geriatrics, sports, pediatric, oncology, women's health, cardiorespiratory, functional dermatology, and workplace. It provides several job openings in private practice, consultancy, which includes physiotherapy clinic, rehabilitation centers, hospitals and nursing homes, critical care units, intensive care units, educational teaching institute as professor's guide, research institute, centers as research scientist fellow, community-based rehabilitation program in rural and urban community centers, PHC, CHC. Government projects, example, integrated program for older people from Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Health and Family Welfare, rehabilitation centers and residential homes, example, disability centers, special care centers, etc. Geriatric centers, example, geriatric homes, home health care consultation services, physical disability centers, example, district disability rehabilitation centers, DDRC, corporate bodies, example, industrial physiotherapy workplaces wellness program, geriatric centers, sports complex, authorities as sports therapist, fitness and wellness centers, fitness clubs, health clubs, gymnasium, obesity clinic as instructor.
Objectives of physiotherapy course. Physiotherapy is the education of physiotherapists within the scope of a sound, practice-oriented and competency-oriented study at university level to ensure transparency and international comparability. In addition to the imparted subject-related professional knowledge, students develop interdisciplinary competencies by means of a sound professional competency to act, which can be achieved not only by learning but by a close connection with operations in a practical context, as well as by gaining scientific, social communicative and problem-solving competencies in order to be able to deal with complex tasks autonomously and reflexively. Admission eligibility. The criteria for Bachelors of Physiotherapy is 12th pass with physics, chemistry, biology and English, and students should have completed the age of 17 years by 31st December of the year. Admission process. 75% of the total seats are of government quota. Admission through Centralized Medical Admission Committee of Gujarat Government on the basis of merit, and 25% of the total seats are NRI or management quota seats, as per the rule of government. AIIMS has tied up with various hospitals for clinical training of students like Civil Hospital, LG Hospital, Shardaben Hospital, Gujarat Cancer Society, TB Ward, UN Mehta Hospital, Red Cross Trust, Apang Manav Mandal Clinic, Polio Foundation Trust Clinic, Asian Neuro Pediatric Clinic, Hope Neuro Clinic, Shreyas Foundation Clinic, Samutkash Trust Clinic, Lions Clinic and KD Hospital. AIIMS has also established a disciplinary committee which includes CWDC, that is Collegiate Women's Development Cell. Main motto of CWDC is to provide women their rights, and Anti-Ragging Committee, which holds punishment for offence. Student benefits. For Gujarat University first ranker, scholarship for one-term fee will be provided by management. Even the students scoring good rank in university as well as in the college will be awarded by prize money, gift and medals. The institute provides Mediclaim facility of up to 1 lakh for all the students. The institute provides very hygienic and nutritious lunch and snacks at a subsidized rate. The institute gives monthly scholarship. The institute has tied up with universities in Canada for student exchange program during their internship. The institute provides textbooks on loan. We have regular sessions of student counseling. We provide in-house placement during internship by arranging campus interview. College amenities. Classroom, auditorium, physiotherapy clinic, dissection room, physiology lab, library and reading room, canteen, computer lab, indoor activities, playground, transport facilities, We have hostel facilities nearby the college campus to aid students. The academical activities of AIIMS include CME, that is Continuing Medical Education, Institute Visit, Rising Star, Star of the Month, Student Corner, Workshop and Seminar. The clinical training for students also include camp, OPD and screening. Many extracurricular activities are carried out at AIIMS campus. Annual function and graduation day. Picnic, tree plantation, food festival, special guests, freshers party, festivals, sports day, yoga day,